There's a lot of homeowners out there that are looking at having their roof replaced for the first time. One of the most common things we hear from folks is, I don't understand the process. I don't know what all that involves. At Trinity Roofing and Construction, we're happy to sit down with homeowners and to help you understand the whole process. A lot of times folks are just sort of focused on the shingles and the color palettes and those things, and that's great, but there are a lot of other things and a lot of other components that go along with this. At Trinity, we take the time to sit down with you and help you to understand how we literally build your roof and the different components that are involved. If you're not familiar with what is underlayment and what's the difference in synthetic versus felt, or ice and water shield versus valley mat, water starter shingles, what is drip edge, how should the gutters be installed. There's just a lot of different things that we oftentimes hear from homeowners that have had their roof replaced in the past. Oftentimes when we go through our process, they say thank you for going through that, because even though we've had this done before, we never understood all that. No one ever explained that to us. So just remember, at Trinity, when we sit down with you, we'll walk through that with you just to make sure you understand the whole process, and that way you've got the confidence that the health of your home is at the top of our card. We're going to make sure that we take care of everything and that the job is done right. So my name's Ken Bailey. Please give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a complimentary inspection and let you know what we can do to help you get your home squared away.